So guys, if you've ever wondered what a YouTube studio or the YouTube setup looks like behind the scenes, then today you are going to find out because I'm going to transform a room in my house into a dedicated YouTube studio. If you guys are excited for this kind of video and want to see more content, then don't forget to subscribe and let's get into the video. The room itself looks like this. And it kind of looks like a studio dream because these lights are perfect for putting like a table in the middle. This has been a room, like a dumping ground for just towels and clothes, and this was from Valerie's like birthday balloons from forever ago. So this room just needs some help. But let's start off by cleaning this room because it's a little bit ridiculous and I'm slightly embarrassed to be showing it, but what are you gonna do? I'm just showing you guys how it is. So now it's relatively echoey in the room. I've been like cleaning everything out. I moved the couch and like now the floor is all straightened up and a lot of the stuff, it's in a pile over there. So this is then over there. That's where like my printer goes and stuff like that. And I moved the table over. This is all, even though it looks like a mess, relatively organized. Let's start getting this room back together because I'm already losing light with the daylight savings and everything. It's gonna turn dark soon. So this is what we've got going on. I still have to clean up this corner and I'm thinking of putting like 3 mirrors, kind of like have a little area over there, and I'm gonna clean out that corner so it looks nice. Let's decorate this couch. Okay guys, it's daylight savings right now, so the light is literally gone. I have finished putting the room together and straightening it out and cleaning it, so I'm gonna give you guys an overview and I'll even turn the lights on for you. If you guys want a more in-depth video of like going through the whole thing and maybe decorating it more, because this is just kind of like a setting it up and putting everything together, then let me know. I still have to clean out this corner, but for now it's just got some camera stuff and like the Wi-Fi and the printer, so I'm just gonna leave it. So now that it's fully dark outside, I just wanted to come back and show you like the room with everything lit up and how I kind of have my lights. When I'm filming a video, this is pretty much what it looks like. I have these 2 lights on and then one lighting up the background there and one lighting around the background there. So yeah, like you guys saw, these usually stay in the corner and I just keep them at the height that they were at. This actually goes up. So yeah, I just have these all lights on and it really lights up the whole room. So just wanted to show you guys that real quick. There you go, there are the lights. So anyway guys, that was it for transforming the room. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will be making more videos in the future of content just like this. So Valerie and I are gonna eat some food now because I've been working on this for a few hours. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys later. Percocet,
rep the city, gotta rep the city. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on.